Hey everyone, welcome to the Smart Kitchen Guru. Today we are reviewing a kitchen essential that can make your cooking healthier and hassle-free, the Pigeon Healthy Fry Digital Air Fryer. If you love crispy, delicious food but want to cut down on oil, then this product might be perfect for you. Let's check it out. About this item, special feature digital product dimensions 30D by 22.9 W by 29H centimeters. Color green capacity 4.2 liters. Material stainless steel, aluminium, plastic. Bring your family together with the Pigeon Healthy Fry Digital Air Fryer, the ultimate solution for healthier, faster, and more convenient cooking, creating delicious memories and fostering a love for wholesome cooking among all family members. Enjoy guilt-free healthy snacks. 8 preset menus. Take the guesswork out of cooking with 8 preset menus. French fries, paneer tikka, samosa, vegetable roast, pizza, cutlets, nuggets, cakes, and chips. 360-degree high-speed air circulation. Enjoy perfectly crispy and evenly cooked delicious snacks. Thanks to the advanced 360-degree high-speed air circulation technology, uses 95% less oil. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence with up to 95% less oil than traditional cooking methods. Digital display. Easily select modes, menus, and monitor cooking times and temperatures. Delay start function. Plan your meals ahead of time. Simply set the timer and let the healthy fry work its magic while you attend to other tasks. Defrost function. Quickly and safely thaws frozen foods so you can cook without delay. Powerful 1200 watt motor, rapid heating and consistent air through performance so you can whip up delicious meals in no time. Generous 4.2 liter easy food release basket. Spacious 4.2 liter easy food release basket provides ample room to cook large batches of your favorite foods with ease. Very low noise. Enjoy a quiet cooking experience without the loud, distracting noise. Strong build quality. Crafted with durability in mind. Coated durable and rust-proof basket and coated stainless steel oil separator. With innovative features and unbeatable convenience, the Pigeon Healthy Fry Digital Air Fryer is the perfect companion for busy home chefs and health-conscious foodies alike. Then another one review is just for you. We're checking out the Philips Air Fryer model NA120/00, a game changer for healthy cooking. So here we have the brand new Philips Air Fryer and let's unbox it. Inside the box, we get the main air fryer unit, a frying basket, a user manual, and a recipe book. First impressions. The design is sleek and premium, perfect for any modern kitchen. Now let's talk about what makes this air fryer stand out. 1. Rapid air technology. This fryer uses Philips advanced rapid air technology, which circulates hot air to cook your food evenly, crispy outside, tender inside, without excess oil. 2. Large capacity. It has a generous capacity, perfect for small to medium families. You can fry, bake, grill, and roast your favorite dishes in minutes. 3. Touchscreen and preset modes. The digital touchscreen comes with multiple preset cooking options. Fries, chicken, fish, cake, and more. Just tap, set, and relax. 4. Easy to clean. The non-stick dishwasher safe parts make cleanup a breeze. No more scrubbing greasy pans. 5. Energy efficient and healthy cooking. Compared to deep frying, this air fryer saves up to 90% oil, making your meals healthier while also saving electricity. Pros: healthy cooking with minimal oil, fast and even cooking, multiple preset modes, easy to use and clean, energy efficient. Cons: slightly expensive, bulky for small kitchen. So, is the Philips Air Fryer NA120/00 worth buying? If you love crispy, delicious food without the guilt of deep frying, this is definitely a must-have. It's easy to use, cooks fast, and makes your meals healthier. Yes, it's a bit pricey, but the long-term health benefits and energy savings make it a great investment. If you're interested, I've added the best deal link in the description below. Click it to check the latest price and offers. Also, let me know in the comments what's the first dish you would cook in this air fryer.
Another one is Inalza Air Fryer, 4.2 liters, 1,400 watts with air crisp technology. Oil-free fryer. Fryer with air crisp technology that with hot air at high speed and constant temperature fries with little or no oil and achieves much healthier frying. With less than 99% fat and a crispy and tasty result, 8 preset programs. The 8 preset programs of Tasty Fry Digital will allow you to cook frozen potatoes, natural potatoes, all kinds of vegetables, chicken, sausages, meat, fish, cakes, and much more. Not just fries. Now make aloo tikkas, roast chicken, grilled vegetables, chocolate cakes, muffins, frozen potatoes, natural potatoes, all kinds of vegetables, chicken, sausages, meat, fish, cakes, and much more. Touch screen with 8 presets. Function? Try new recipes at the touch of a button. Fully digital, fryer with digital touchscreen and very easy to use. Set time between 1 and 60 minutes and the temperature between 80 degrees Celsius and 200 degrees Celsius. It has a buzzer at the end of cooking, cold touch handle, and non-slip feet. Non-stick cooking pan, 4.2 liters. Food pan is non-stick that will allow food to be brown without sticking to the pan. It has 1400 watts of power that ensures fast and homogeneous cooking. Suitable for gifting on Diwali and other special occasions. Number of pieces, 5. Included char components, main unit, cooking pan, food separator, recipe booklet, instruction manual cum warranty card. As reviewed about Amazon customers, find the air fryer easy to use and effective. They appreciate its simple functionality, good value for money, and quick cooking speed. The visible window is convenient for checking the cooking process from outside. Many customers find the build quality satisfactory, with nice materials used for manufacturing. They also like the looks, oil usage, and size of the product. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, I've added the purchase link in the description below. Go check it out.
And the last one is Prestige Nutri-Fry Electric Digital Air Fryer, 80% less. Oil consumption 4.5 liter capacity, 1200 watts. Power, fry, grill, roast, bake, reheat digital display. With 8 preset menu, easy to clean. Frying basket touch panel with digital display. The digital display provides cooking convenience with an adjustable time and temperature control feature. Introducing 8 preset cooking modes. Homemade chips, grill, samosa, pizza, cake, veggies, defrost, reheat, chicken multi-functionality, air fry, grill, bake, roast, toast, dehydrate, keep warm and reheat, high-capacity frying basket. The specially designed high-capacity frying basket with non-stick coating allows hot air circulation for even cooking. Safety interlocking. Cooking automatically stops once basket is pulled out. Food-grade oil brush. Food-grade oil brush is 1-year warranty provided. If you're interested in buying this, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.